Welcome back to Credit Bites with Pam Ford, your personal credit specialist. I am here today to bite off another juicy chunk of financial information for you. Now, in my first video, I talked about making your financial portfolio successful, including your credit score. But we're not only going to talk about your credit score. No. We are going to talk about credit monitoring. And what that is simply this. You are a victim of identity theft. My company sends you an alert through email, text message, or phone as soon as you contact us. Our specialists are right there, ready and willing to help you out of the situation. We also offer $1 million protection plan with this, as well as experts and attorneys, a credit attorney, imagine that will help you along the way.